Good morning children, I am Kesan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Beeson school. In previous class we have discussed workbook chapter name patterns. Today also we have to continue the same topic patterns only. Okay, all of you open your workbook, the page number 22, page number 22. Okay, 19th one. Okay, draw any two rotational patterns. Draw rotational patterns using these two shapes. Clear children? We have to use these two shapes. Okay, draw any two rotational patterns. Okay, so first of all 1/4 turn. Okay, 1/4 turn. Okay, next to draw any two rotational patterns using these two. So first of all I will show once. See, by rotating 1/4 turn and repeating alternatively. Okay, so see, first shape, next. Okay children, I think you are watching. Yes, see, now draw any two rotational patterns using these two. Okay, by rotating 1/4 turn and repeating alternately. Okay, so 1/4 turn. See, like this means you have to turn like this. Okay, so it will be like this. Clear? Next, it will be like this. Clear children? So draw any two rotational patterns using 1/4 turn. Okay. Next, by rotating 1/4 turn. Next, by rotating the shapes by half turn alternately. Half turn. Okay. Now, see, this is 1/4 turn. Again 1/4 turn. That means, so first of all, this is the actual shape. Now rotating like this 1/4 turn. Okay, next again, now it becomes Okay. Okay. Next, again 1 by 4 turn. Okay, children. See, draw any two rotational patterns using these two shapes. Okay. So first of all, actual position is this one. Okay. Clockwise direction. First 1 by 4 turn. Okay. These two. Next 1 by 4 turn. Okay, children. These two. Okay. Next 1 by 4 turn. These two. Okay. Like this, you have to draw the pictures. Clear, children? How many problems are there? That many problems you can do in this way only. Draw any two rotational patterns using these two. You can do like this. Clear, children? Next, see the page number 23. Page number 23. Okay. So 1 by, suppose if 1 by 2 turn, the same way you can follow. Okay. One example I did for this. Next 28th question. Twentieth question. Complete the table to show how the shape will look after the given number of turns in the clockwise direction. Okay. So complete the table. Complete the table to show how the shape will look. How the shape will look after the given number of turns, after the given number of turns in the anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now the shape. Okay. Actually, this is the very lengthy one. I will show how to draw. Okay. Each shape by shape. So shape 1 by 4 turn, 1 by 2 turn, 1 by 3 turn. And the shape. Okay. So first 1 by 4 turn what? 1 by 2 turn what? Next to 1 by 3 turn what? Okay, children. So see, first one 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 3 turn. Is it clear now? First one, first shape 1 by 4 turn and 1 by 3 turn. Children, you have to draw these three. Okay, in PDF file also I will send this solution. Just you have to draw this pictures clearly. Next, the second one. The first one is 1 by 4 turn. Next one is 1 by 2 turn. The third one is 1 by 3 turn. This is the second shape. Third one. First one is 1 by 4 turn. The second one is 1 by 2 turn. The third one is 1 by 3 turn. At the last, 1 by 4 turn, 1 by 3 turn, 1 by 2 turn, and last one is 1 by 3 turn. So this is the way you have to answer. Okay, children. So first one, this is a actual diagram. So somewhat design will be there. You can draw the design. 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 2 turn. 1 by 3 turn. Okay, children? Okay, next to second one and third one already I showed, no, you can do it. And the fourth one, that also I will draw. See, actually shape is this is actual shape. Okay, next 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 4 turn. Next 1 by 2 turn. 1 by 2 turn. Next 1 by 3 turn. Just little bit cross. 1 by 3 turn. So this is the way you have to answer the following questions. Okay. Next to 21 and 22 also left. That also we will finish today class. So 21. Complete the given pattern. Complete the given pattern by drawing the missing shape.
By drawing
The missing shape.
the
Shape. Okay, children. So this is like this, and this is, observe this diagram. Okay, next this is okay. So this is the way we have to answer this one. I will show once. See, this box is not given. Okay, now see, lost. That means answer box like this of this box and this one. So this figure, this is the question mark given. Yes, no? Instead of question mark, you have to draw this one. Okay? Instead of attach, separately you have to draw. Okay? So this is the
solution
for 21 question. Okay, children? Next to circle the shape that breaks the pattern 22 question. Okay, children? Once you see. Circle
the shape
shape that breaks the
pattern that breaks the
pattern. Okay, first A, observe here, first one, observe here the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Easily you can observe
this one, this one, this one, this one. Just to know how to round up.
this one, break the rules. Okay, A. B, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, see, 1, 2, 3, This is little bit cross. So this one broken the rules. So 1, 2, 3, fourth one you have to round up. Okay. Next C.
C, A, this is reverse.
Third one, fourth one, fifth one.
C,
Observe here. Here
A, C, complete reverse. This is complete reverse. This is A. This
is complete reverse. This is only one. This is one. So circle the shape that breaks the pattern. So 1, 2, 3. Third one, okay, broken the rule. So that's why you have to circle. Next to D. D. Sin. Observe here. This is first one. Perfect. Second one means completely reverse. Second correct. Third one. Like first one only. Next, fourth one. Like second one only. So all four perfect. But last one observe here. So this is little bit, this is cross. So this is this one we have to circle the fifth one. Okay children. Next I will show once again all the 22 questions solution. First one. Second one, third one, and fourth one. Okay, children, I hope you understood very well. So,
concept 2.1 we have completed. So what is
today's homework? Today's homework patterns, workbook, page number 21,
22,
23,
and
24. The question number 16, 17,
18,
19. Okay. 20, 21 and 22. Children, once you observe here, okay, if it will be more than 16, 17 you can, 18 you can cut, 19, these three sums you can cut. 1, 2, 3, 4 sums I gave. These 4 problems you have to do practice in your homework book also. Okay children, I hope you understood very well. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.